Hey there, gadget lovers! Today I'm diving into some juicy leaks about the upcoming iQOO Neo 10 Pro. This phone is rumored to be a game changer, so let's get right into it. First off, the display. The iQOO Neo 10 Pro is tipped to sport a 6.78-inch 1.5K 144Hz 8T LTPO display. That's right, 144 Hz. Smooth scrolling and gaming for days. It's got a plastic frame though, which might be a letdown for some. Under the hood, this beast is expected to pack the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 SoC. This is a shift from the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in the Neo 9 Pro. Performance buffs, get ready, and let's talk memory. Up to 16 GB RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. That's some serious multitasking and storage power. Camera enthusiasts, listen up. The rear setup is rumored to feature dual 50MP sensors. Compare that to the 50MP plus 8MP on the Neo 9 Pro, and we're in for some serious photo upgrades. On the front, it'll likely keep the 16MP sensor from its predecessor. Battery life is looking impressive too. We're talking over 6,000 mAh up from 5,160 mAh in the Neo 9 Pro, plus 120W fast charging support. You'll be powered up in no time. Lastly, security. The iQOO Neo 10 Pro might feature a Goodix ultrasonic sensor. This is said to be more secure and accurate than the in-display sensor we've seen before. Now remember, all these details are based on leaks and rumors. The phone is expected to launch in China next month and should hit other markets, including India, shortly after. Pricing? It's likely to stay under Rs 40,000, making it a solid mid-range contender. That's your quick rundown of the iQOO Neo 10 Pro. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gadget news. Catch you next time.